As COVID restrictions ease, Balochs have resumed their anti-Pak freedom struggle on streets. First week of March, when Baloch usually celebrate their ethnicity and culture, a number of demonstrations were held across European cities. Balochs called out violent campaigns by Pakistan Army and its secret agency ISI, a rising number of enforced disappearances and continued plunder of their resources. They urged the international community to intervene in the crisis that is gradually heading towards a state-sponsored catastrophe.
Pakistan! Pakistan!
As COVID restrictions ease around the world, the Balochs, with their long-standing demand of complete independence from the clutches of Islamabad, have once again taken to streets.
Terrorist army!
They staged a number of demonstrations in European cities of Berlin, Frankfurt and Amsterdam this week. While calling Pakistan's army murderous and occupier, the Balochs highlighted an upped offensive being carried out against them in Balochistan. They also urged the international community to take cognizance of the rising rate of enforced disappearances in the region.
The world must know that there is a continuous genocide of the Baloch nation which is carried out by Pakistan. Since the annexation of Balochistan at the barrel of gun by Pakistani army. And one of the worst human right violation which is being happened in Balochistan, that is the enforcement disappearances of the Baloch people.
The Balochs, who have lately upped the ante in their demands of freedom, accuse Pakistan establishment of unleashing a repressive campaign to muzzle the liberal voices in the region. The crackdown involves arresting activists on trumped-up charges and subjecting them to inhuman torture in detention centers. There have been over 50,000 cases of disappearances in Balochistan so far. The barbarity has only gained strength with time as the establishment-backed goons attack innocents with impunity. Even those who have managed to flee Pakistan have not been spared. Balochs accuse Pakistani agencies of killing Baloch dissenters overseas. Karima Baloch and Sajid Hussain were found dead under similar suspicious circumstances last year. Baloch say ISI killed them. Leaders say it is high time that all Balochs unite and present a stronger fight for their rights.
ये हमारे लिए शर्म का मकाम है कि एक जगह पे हमारे भाई मर रहे हैं, कट रहे हैं, शहीद हो रहे हैं, कुर्बान हो रहे हैं, मुजाहिमत कर रहे हैं, लड़ रहे हैं और दूसरी तरफ से हम तमाशा देखते रहें। और फिर ये मुल्का खेज बात होगी अगर हम खुद खामोश रहें और दुनिया से तवक्को करें कि दुनिया हमारे लिए आवाज उठाएगी। दुनिया हमारे लिए कभी आवाज नहीं उठाएगी जब तक हम अपने लिए खुद आवाज नहीं उठाते।
Despite being endowed with oil, coal gas, electricity and gold, the Baloch people still live in dire conditions with no electricity or running water. Furthermore, following the entry of the Chinese in the province, the Baloch have been exploited even more. Balochistan was under the British colonial rule and it was annexed by Islamabad on August 27, 1948. And since then, all its demands have been responded through military operations. The locals are neither made part of the committees that take decision of exploiting the resources, nor they are shared any dividends of the produce. And when they demand their rights or resist the forceful changes being brought about in their region, Pakistan uses brute high-handedness to suppress them.